They're right over there. Let's see if Eric works his magic. Oh my god.
We can't all stay back here.
Yeah.
Hey, look at the views go through there.
I got you. Cover me. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. Yeah, I know. Yeah, you shot me on camera.
Alright, I hit the side.
Yeah.
Alright. Keep moving on the back side and then move forward to where little bend is. Alright, I'm moving to you.
You're good, you're good. Okay. Yeah, I'm going up there.
You got anyone over there?
No, I'm clear.
I'm moving up to that hut up over there.
What's up?
I'm going up to that hut. Is that okay?
Alright, get moving.
Ben, cover me. 3,
Ben,
2,
cover.
1, go.
Go.
Watch out. Hit. Right in the face. That was interesting. Cover me. 3, 2, 1, go.
Anyone got eyes? Yeah, heads up, you got one in the tower in front of you. Stay in the tower inside.
Okay. Go.
Yo, I got tired. You guys cover the building. You guys cover me and get inside.
Here, I'm coming.
Let me get on that side.
Hold on a second.
Ready? Justin, cover that side for him.
Yo. Hold on.
There's a few.
Holy shit, that's
Oh, no. Keep that close. Okay, give me a gun. Oh, that's pretty sick.
I got one kill with yours, like right away.
Don't
Hop
jump
up
up
on-
over the wall like that. That's just asking for trouble on all counts,
Okay,
alright?
sorry.
It's alright. This is a new field for everyone, for this new thing, so.
Nice. Oh, fun. That went a lot better than I thought. I like this better than Defend the Castle.
How the fuck do you even like this? Are you kidding me? You guys need to be in there next time. See how it's fucking like. That sucks dick.